Good morning, everybody. My name's Jesse Colson. Welcome to my channel. Get back on the boat today. We're gonna get it slid over, roll it back over on the other side, and get the top side primered up and painted hopefully today. Bottom looks real good, cured real nice. So far I don't see any spots where it looks like the paint lifted or did anything weird. So it's been 24 hours since I put the last coat on it yesterday. So it should be fully cured. So here we go. Get this thing rolled over. Now we got the boat back the right direction, bottom side down. Sitting on styrofoam. Paint made the roll, so hopefully that means everything is good. Now we get to wipe everything down, start laying primer on the top. So I kind of forgot a step. We got to go back through and fill up all these holes that do not have something going back in them. There's only a couple of them out here on the outside that are actually gonna stay open, that have something going back in them. The wood slats that were here we're not going to put back on, so we're going to fill them all with this JB weld. It's marine weld, so it's waterproof, supposedly better for boats, I guess. We're going to go through, just dab each of these holes closed with it, let it sit long enough that I can sand the tops off, make it all nice and smooth, and then we'll get to the primering. All right. So I'm just going to take a little bit. Smear it into each hole.
So whatever dries on there that you can't get off of
Yeah,
that.
so I'll scrape as much as I can, but I got to try to leave just a little head kind of on the top of it. So see, I'll just take and scrape everything that I can scrape. But I've got to leave a little bit kind of like that sticking up, so that when I sand it smooth, it's completely smooth and there's not a dimple in there. All right, everything taped up. Still waiting on the JB weld to finish curing. A little bit longer on that yet. Maya's working on sanding these pieces of wood so we can get them repainted. I think I got some oil-based paint we're gonna put on them and get them all nice and white looking. Bailey's over here messing about, but glad Maya's out here being able to actually help me do this. She's got a break from everyday fun stuff, so. Well, got this stuff all taped off. Everything we don't want paint on, anyway. Here in a little bit, I'm gonna hang plastic around it so I don't get any overspray down on the white. And then as soon as the JB Weld cures up the rest of the way, take and hit the top of it with the sander real quick and get it knocked down. Get some plastic hung up on the sides real quick. All we're doing is just taping in a couple spots, and we'll come back through and tape the whole get up. I'm going to take and cut it so far down so I have enough to go all the way around. I got 2 full sheets, so I think if I cut it, it should give me just enough to do the whole boat, so we can avoid any kind of overspray on the pretty white. Got all the JB Weld sanded. I'm going to wipe it down with mineral spirits. And then get that dried off and lay a coat of primer. Yep, primer's all laid. Looking good. Here in just a minute, we're gonna Come over top of it with some paint. The inside rail's painted up nice. Everything that we needed to. Back here is actually going to be I'm going to build a hatch that covers this. That's why I didn't paint that. But it's looking good. You get this wiped down real quick with a rag and start mixing paint.
Yeah. You hold that like that so I can see.
All right, we're ever so delicately gonna pull plastic and tape. I don't want to do it while it's a little on the wet side so that get it off a little easier. All right, that's where we're at. Got the gray lid. Pulled the plastic off. We got a painted boat. It's looking good. Liking the colors. Went around and pulled all the tape, all the plastic. Tape off everything. Turning out nice. Like to say thanks to everybody for watching. If you enjoy what we do, please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.